Four-man rush coming. End zone touchdown.
First down, Nevada. Play fake. With time, here's the first shot. Receiver has a step. What a throw. It's
on one. The tight end goes 16-yard line. It's a first down for the Wolfpack. And a crossing pattern, Elijah Cooks. 12th play of the drive. Strong. End zone. Caught for the touchdown.
Plays are in the book for second down and 20.
And a plant in his face. Dobbs, end zone.
Penalties, and that was the worst mark in the Mountain West. Strong over the middle.
While they were trying to rotate a new D-line.
Another end zone shot. Interception. Strong. Steps up. Lob. Turner. One-handed grab.
Strong trying to dump it off, and he finds Devon.
Field, third down. Strong. Takes a shot. Dobbs. End zone.
Oro is in first time to the backfield. Off the play fake. Strong. Walks it all. End zone. I welcome you to Boise, Idaho. For Nevada and Boise State. And on a
Penalty ball on the 2-yard line. Strong going up top. It is caught. Strong. End zone. Touchdown.
He'll shoot it to the end zone.
They're showing a blitz.
So he fires to the outside. Has a man in space.
Momentum back in this game.
Tons of time. Gonna take a shot. Down the middle, it's Romeo Dobbs.
Players up front and ahead of Carson. Strong. He goes into the corner of the end zone, and we got a ball in the 12. Strong corner of the end zone. Touch. Quick hit out to Cooks, and Elijah. 17 for Stovall. And going deep towards the end zone, it's Cooks, and Cooks is...
instructions for his line. Strong looking left. He'll take a shot to the end zone. Touchdown.
So that'll get the Wolfpack into the red zone. Talbot in the receiving game. Rumbles to the outside. Go right back to it.
Big play. 4th and goal. Here's Strong. End zone. Touchdown.
Strong. Going to the end zone. Caught Nevada.
I got dreams to see the Lambo and I ran low. I got breadcrumbs like Panko and we all go. No. Hop in the whip is pouring. Raindrops in the morning, yeah.